From JEE Advanced 2026. Let ABC be positive integer in arithmetic progression such that the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 has only integer solutions. Then which of the following statements is or are true? These are the four options. You have to check each and every options. Okay. Now this question is very easy if you know the concept of arithmetic progression as well as quadratic equation. Then it is very easy question. Let us see. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We have this quadratic equation in which a, b, c are in AP and are positive integers. Have only integer solutions. This is also one point to be noted. Now you know the sum of roots formula, minus b upon a, product of roots c upon a. Now as roots are only integers, then sum of roots will also be integers. Sum of roots will also be integers. Product of roots also be integers. So we can say that minus b by a can be one integer. Minus b by a equal to k1, say where k1 belongs to z, that is integer. Similarly c by a will also be integer, so c by a equal to k2 where k2 belongs to integer. So by this we can write minus b equal to a k1, yes, and c equal to a k2. Okay, therefore c minus b we can write as, this is c, this is minus b, we can write as ak2 plus ak1, where taking a as common, k1 plus k2. k1 plus k2 is an integer, we have just now assumed here. So c minus b is a multiple of a, yes or no? That is a multiple of a into k1 plus k2. So option A is correct. Okay, now come for the second option. Now a, b, c are in AP and positive integers as well. Therefore b minus a will be c minus b. Okay, so b, we just use minus a k1, this is your, and minus a, c minus b, again c is a k2. Okay, c is a k2, minus b means a k1, so you will get this. Okay, so take minus a common, so k minus a into k1 plus 1, a common, k1 plus k2, so a and a will cancelled. You will see k1 plus k2, and when you will bring to this here, k1 plus k2 plus k1 plus 1 equal to 0. So this will give you k2 is equal to minus 2k minus 1. Take minus common, 2k1 plus 1, an odd integer. Okay, any multiple of 2 plus 1 is an odd integer declared. Okay, therefore we can say product of roots, that was c by a equal to k2, we have assumed will be an odd integer. Now hence both roots must be odd, then only their product will be an odd integer. Okay, this fact you are agree or not? Product will be an odd integer if and only if the two roots are odd. Okay, otherwise it will not be an odd. Okay, so by this we can conclude that option B is also correct, that the roots will be odd only. Okay, both the roots will be odd only. So option B is now correct. Now for the option C, if C is 15, if C is 15, then K2 we have assumed as C upon A. Okay, so 15 upon A, but K2 is an odd integer. Okay, just now we have got here. Then A can be, since A is positive only, so 1, 3, 5 and 15, A can be 1, 3, 5 or 15, then only this division will give you an odd integer. Okay, also B is equal to A plus C upon 2 by ABC is in AP. So we will deal one of these options one by one. If A is 1, C is 15, then B will be 8, 15 plus 1 by 2. If A is 3, C is 15, then B will be 15 plus 3 upon 2, 9. If A is 5, C is 15, B is 15 plus 5 upon 2, 10. If A is 15, C is 15, then B will be 15. Okay, so let us see which option is correct among these four given options. For x square plus 8x plus 15, first case, A is 1 and B is 8 and C is 15. We find the discriminant, B square minus 4AC. So 8 square minus 4 into 15, that is 64 minus 60, that is 4, which is greater than 0. So there is no problem in this. Now come for the next. A is 3, 3x square, b is 9x plus c is 15. In this case, if you will find discriminant, b square minus 4ac, 9 square minus 4 into 3 into 15, 81 minus 180 minus 99. So discriminant cannot be negative if you have quadratic equation and it has integer solutions only in that case. Similarly, when you check for this, a is 5x square, b is 10x, 10, and c is 15, then also you are able to see that discriminant is coming as negative. So we will ignore these two. For the last, a is 15x square plus b is 15 plus bx, 15x plus 15, discriminant is 15 square minus 4 into 15 into 15, you will get negative. So this also we will ignore. So only possibility is a is 1, b is 8, and c is 15. Therefore, if c is 15, ab is 8. So option c is also correct. Okay. Now for the last options. If b is 8, then if b is 8, then a must be 1 and c must be 15. So a will be 1 and c will be 15. So our quadratic equation will be ax square plus bx plus c will be x square plus 8x plus 15. If you will use middle term split, you will get this x plus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. Means x equal to minus 3 and minus 5 are the solutions coming as. So x equal to 3 cannot be the root of the given equation. Okay, so option D is wrong. Thank you.